Are y'all ready for day 6? Day 6. This is Saturday, day 6. Oh, we've got to find us a stocking. I think there's some hiding around there on the other side. We'll get those later. I'm going to grab this one right here. Day 6. Let's see what's on this piece of paper. Elmer's glue sticks. Well, y'all know I use a lot of these. A lot of glue sticks. You can use the scented kind or the unscented kind or whatever kind that you happen to have at your local Five Below or Dollar Tree or Wally World, or you can order them off of Amazon like I did, a great big box full. They were so much cheaper. And I was doing so many things, and I still do. I bought this big box. And I may have to buy some more at some point because, you know, it's not full anymore by any means. They're invaluable in your sewing room, as well as just plain old Elmer's glue. If you want to baste something together to make it hold, put you some glue, iron it, and you're good to go. It'll set and hold. If you're doing your applique pieces, like I use my glue sticks for that all the time. You know that. I use it to stick down a pattern. I use it for all kinds of things. Glue sticks are great, as well as just glue. Washes out, doesn't leave a residue. If you use a lot of your like heat and bond and things like that, it stays there and it kind of makes it stiff sometimes. Your glue doesn't. It washes away and you're left with just your soft fabrics. And I love it. Cheap, readily available to everybody. You can buy it at Dollar General and they're popping up everywhere. You ought to have 2 or 3 within a mile of your house by now. Surely to the Lord, you've got one within walking distance. I live out in the middle of nowhere and I probably could walk to 2 or 3. They're that close. And they'll probably put up more between me and the ones I've got now. They're like down the road. Every 2 miles, you see a Dollar General. And I'm not kidding. I have driven by one and clocked it, and like 2 miles or less, you've got another one. So there's lots of things in there you can use in your sewing room. Elmer's glue being one of them. You can get glue sticks, regular glue, folders for your patterns, paper to print the patterns on. You can get t-shirts, sweatshirts, blue jeans. You can buy all kinds of stuff. You can buy groceries. I know I'm on the Dollar General hack, aren't I? No, they're not paying me to tell y'all to go there. I'm just saying. They've got so many stores everywhere that that's just the way it is. Get you some glue sticks, or just washable glue. Keep it in your sewing room because you will use it all the time. Yes, you will. All the time. Come back tomorrow for day number 7.